Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial on Peoria County's Tax Districts by Address web application. This application helps Peoria County taxpayers find out what agencies and districts their tax dollars fund. First, let's look at how to access the application. Our video begins on the County Clerk's page of the Peoria County website. You can access this page under the Departments tab of the Peoria County website and by clicking County Clerk. Or you can simply search Peoria County Clerk in your preferred search engine. Once on the County Clerk page, hover your cursor over Property Taxes. This will allow you to view the tab's contents. You will then click Tax Districts by Address to launch the GIS application. The first thing you will see on the page is a message that displays the purpose of the tool and some brief instructions. To clear this message, click anywhere on your screen. The easiest way to find an address is by searching it in the address search bar located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. For this example, I'll be searching the address of the Peoria County Courthouse. Click in the search bar and begin typing. As you type, the search feature will offer suggestions in order to autocomplete your search. Once you have completed typing the address, hit Enter, or if you select an address from the list of autocomplete suggestions, the map will move automatically to that address. Once loaded, a highlighted box will appear over the address you searched. On the left side of the screen, a list of districts will appear with a scroll bar. These are all the districts that serve the highlighted address. District names that are in blue in the list are hyperlinked to that district's website. Some district headings will be blank if there is no data available or if that district heading is not applicable to the address searched. If you would like to view another address, you can search it in the search bar or simply click on another building. To share the information as you are currently viewing it, there are two options. The first is to click on the link button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. This will create a unique link for the current extent and allow you to share it. You can also click the Mail button next to the link button in the bottom left-hand corner. This will allow you to email the current extent map to anyone in your contact list. This concludes our instructional video on the Tax Districts by Address web app. Thank you for watching. For more instructional videos and other helpful web apps, visit the Peoria County GIS site.